Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making Parmesan chicken. For the Parmesan chicken, we're going to be needing eggs, beaten enough to coat the chicken breasts split in half, or you can tenderize it, salt and pepper to taste, Italian bread crumbs, Parmesan cheese. Let's get the breadcrumbs in a Ziploc bag, so it'll be much easier for us to mix the ingredients together and it's more consistent throughout. So I've added the Parmesan cheese in here. You want to just give the bag a good shake, and then I'm going to pour it into the dish. You can also use panko for this, and you can also add Italian seasoning spices to the breadcrumbs if you're using the plain one. But make sure if you are using the plain that you do use salt and pepper in the bread. Now we're going to go ahead and season the chicken as well as the beaten eggs, which I already added the salt and pepper to it. We're going to go ahead and add some salt to both sides of the chicken and pepper. And we're also going to do the same to the second side to make sure that the taste is going to be consistent and well seasoned. We'll be right back after I season the chicken. I have seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper. Now we're going to dip it in the egg. Beaten egg also has the salt and pepper in it. You can also drench it with flour if you would like. I tend to skip that step just because I don't want to add extra gluten in there. And now into the breadcrumbs, and you want to coat both sides evenly like so, and then you want to make sure you shake off the excess of the breadcrumbs. Once you're done with that, put it in a plate nice and neatly, and then we're going to go ahead and fry it. I have a non-stick pan on high right now for it to get searingly hot, and I have drizzled a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you like, in the pan, and I'm going to add the chicken slowly. And make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. That's where you can come up with uneven cooking temperatures, and or the crust of the chicken will not build up. So with this pan, I'm going to keep it to 2 chicken breasts at a time. And whenever the pan is hot, you'll notice it'll start to sizzle. I put it in a little bit earlier just because this is a non-stick pan and it's going to form the crust anyway. So also do not flip the chicken over until the one side has formed its crust. Otherwise the crust will fall off. So you want to take it nice and slow. It should take about 5 minutes on each side, and then go ahead and flip it over. We'll be right back. Once the chicken starts to sizzle in the skillet, you want to bring it to a medium-high or even a medium, depending on your skillet. And then you want to turn it over when the crust has formed. This is the color we are looking for, and you want to make sure you turn it over once so that the crust does not fall apart in the pan. You also want to prepare a platter with some paper towels on it, so once the other side of the chicken cooks, you can put it on the paper towel for it to soak up the excess oil so that your chicken does not become soggy in the process. We'll be right back with the final result. And here we have our Parmesan chicken. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. It turned out wonderfully moist in the inside and crisp on the outside. Comment down below if you guys do try it and let me know how you like it. And thank you so much all for watching. Hope to see you back soon. Take care.